different record. Okay, so how are you guys feeling? How are you guys feeling? Give me one word in the chat after the dance. How are you guys feeling?
Super.
Yes, superb. Give me one word in the chat. Excited,
Superb हो गया
energetic,
superb.
fantabulous, fabulous, energetic, superb. Very nice. Lovely, lovely. Okay, settle everyone. Take a deep breath in and relax. Take a deep breath in, relax. One last time, take a deep breath in and relax. Wonderful. Superb, superb. Okay, so first of all, thank you everyone for joining today's session. Today is Sunday and you had a choice to spend with your family and but you chose to be here and that really speaks volume about you. So take your hands like this and pat your back. You deserve it. You are amazing. You are amazing. Wow, that's great. Okay, so welcome to day number 8. Welcome to day number 8. Yes, the magic ingredient. The magic ingredient. So today we will talk about the magical ingredient. Okay, so in each and every chapter, Rhonda Byrne is telling some new ways to be grateful, some new ways how we can be grateful for the relationship, how we can be grateful for the health, how we can be grateful for the money. And today she'll be teaching how by doing each and everything, like how we can be grateful whenever we are doing small things, whenever we are cooking or like whatever we are doing the dishes, we are in the kitchen, in the living room. So how we can be grateful when we are eating, when we are drinking. Okay, so she will be giving some more ways. So why she is giving some more ways on daily basis? So that we can feel it more and more and more and more, so that we can make it the habit, so that we can make it a way of living day in day out, how we can be more grateful, more grateful, more grateful, so that we can feel it at the depth, like, oh, okay, so this is also the thing we can be grateful for. Okay, so these are also the people we can be grateful for. Okay, so these are also the situations we can be grateful for. Okay, so these are also the things we can be grateful for. So sometimes we are doing the things superficially, or we don't go at the depth. Okay, by each and every chapter, we are learning, okay, so this is also the thing like we can be grateful for. Okay, so we never thought in that way, like the fan. Fan is giving us the air, fan is giving us the cooling, AC is giving us the cooling. But we never thought fan is giving us cooling, but what we are giving to fan? Can't we be grateful for the fan? But we don't think in that way. Everything on this planet, like everything is giving us something. हर चीज हमें कुछ दे रही है, हर चीज हमें कंफर्ट दे रही है, कुछ ईज दे रही है. लाइक एक छोटा सा पेन, पेन इज ऑल्सो गिविंग अस द ईज टू मेक द नोट्स. So this is
Yes.
giving me some value, this is adding some value into my life. So it is adding some value into my life, but what I am giving to this pen, can I not be grateful for this pen? Thank you so much, you are so helpful for making me the notes. Right, so we have to see like how we can be grateful, so we have to make it a habit, we have to make it the way of living. Okay, so once you make it the way of living, so let's say when you joined, so your level was this. Okay, so once we will be completing, your level will be here. Okay, so you will be here. Once you complete, after 15 days, after 30 days, after 2 months, after 3 months, your level will be here. And after some time, here. But you will never reach to there, because now the seed is there inside you. You will not reach to this level. It might possible that your level will decrease a little, but you will never go to this level, because now I have sown the seed inside you. Whenever you will see people, you will be like, yeah, grateful. It will not be to that extent, to that depth. It might possible that intensity will not be there that much, but yeah, you will be grateful, because that will become way of your living. Yes, the seed will always be there inside you, right? But if you keep nurturing, if you keep watering, if you keep showing them the sunlight, so definitely like it will always be like hara bhara kind of tree. So it's up to you, it's up to you, right? So it's not the job of one day, 1 month or 2 months, so you have to make it a way of living. So today's chapter is also very beautiful, very nice. So that is magical ingredient. So welcome to day number 8, the magic ingredient. Look at this beautiful picture. So what do we see in this picture?
Pure soup. Soup.
Yeah, so there is this cup.
Biscuits.
Some biscuit is there. Yes.
Some magical sprinkling.
Relaxing drink.
Yeah,
क्या मैम वो?
sparkle. Yes. So
Magical
some magic is
relaxing
happening.
drink.
Yeah, magical drink. So this, if we put the magical ingredient inside whatever we eat, whatever we drink, so some magic is happening on that biscuit. Biscuit is what? Biscuit is eatable. Okay. And what is that? Tea, coffee, or soup, whatever it is, that is drinkable. If we put some magical ingredient in our eatables and drinkables, so each and everything, our food, our beverage can also become magical. Okay, so today we will be making our eatables and drinkables magical. So some magic is happening, right? See, all these things are very ordinary things. Okay, but if we sprinkle some magic, so it will become extraordinary. So you have to see the happiness, the magic in small, small. Wow, what a beautiful cup. What a beautiful spoon. What a beautiful biscuit. What a beautiful table. Each and everything. Ordinary thing. If you add some magic, so that will become extraordinary. You will feel happy. Ki, wow. चाय पी रही हो, वाह यार कितना सुंदर कप है, कितना ब्यूटीफुल. Although it is very ordinary cup, so it will become magical for you. It will become extraordinary for you. You are eating ordinary food. I'm not talking about pizza or burger. So you are like eating ordinary food like roti, chapati, sabji, like you are eating roti or dal. But if you say thank you God, what is that magical ingredient? That is gratitude only. Thank you for the food I eat. Thank you for the water I drink. That will become magical. That will become extraordinary for you. Okay, so that we are going to learn. A thankful heart hath a continual fest. What does it mean? A thankful heart hath a continual fest. Those people who are thankful, so they will always celebrate. They will always be in celebration mode. They will always be in appreciation mode. They will always be in enjoyful mode. So if you have that thankful heart, if your heart is full of gratitude, so you will create magic, you will create celebration, you will create that enjoyment in your life. There will be celebration, enjoyment into your life if your heart is full of gratitude. Because a heart of gratitude is a magnet of miracles. You will start attracting miracles into your life if you have that kind of heart. It could be very simple thing for you. कैसे you are thankful? Yes, but that is very magical. अभी तक तो मतलब it's been 10 days now, so you people must have felt the power of being grateful, isn't it? Yeah, so giving thanks for food before you eat is a traditional that has been followed for thousands of years, dating back to the ancient Egyptians. With the fast pace of life in the 21st century, taking the time to give thanks for a meal has more often than not been left behind. But using the simple act of eating and drinking as an opportunity to be grateful will increase the magic in your life exponentially. It will so powerfully increase the magic into your life. It will so powerfully increase the magic into your life. I repeat. Right? So you have to be grateful. It's not that we started it now. No. It was always there. It's starting long, long back, thousands of years back. It's not like we just started being grateful for the water or for the food. No. Earlier also like people used to do like that. They were very grateful for the food. Do you remember those days when my kids were also very smaller? They used to go to school. So before they start their meal, so they had to, utter some kind of word. Thank you for the food. So that was a prayer for 4 to 5 lines. Thank you for the food we eat. Thank you for the water we drink. So that was a kind of prayer. So my daughter used to tell me when she was very small. So there was a prayer in the schools as well. I don't know now it happens or not, but earlier though it was there. Okay, so they had to.
In our school days, when we leave school after after the end of school, so every day we follow that prayer. Oh my God, I love you, Father. I love you, Mother. I love you, teacher. Thank you, God.
Yes,
Thank you, everyone. So that
yes,
we leave. So we used to
yeah.
say that prayer in our
Yeah,
school
earlier
days.
there were so many things, you know, like how we can
In
be
school
grateful
days,
for each and
yes,
everything, for father, mother, parents, for each and
yes,
everything. Like, our parents also used to teach us that we have to be grateful for small, small things. But nowadays,
yes.
all these things are, I don't know why it is not there, but it should always be there, right? It
We
should be
find
there.
reason like if we give money to others, so why should we say thank you? We find
Yes,
reason. We
right.
are becoming so selfish, and we are
Yes.
finding reason why do we be grateful for others.
Hmm.
So we find, and we are like after we matured as much as, so
Hmm.
we feel that there is no need to say thank you.
Yes,
Even
right, right.
sorry or please, these manners, these are very basic manners. So we for our kids we want to teach them, but in
Yes,
our daily life we don't want to follow these things. So
yes.
we have to improve ourselves first.
Yeah, because
That
earlier
will be
earlier in school, so now there are so many technical things as well. People have to learn a lot many things. In school also, like there are so many subjects. But nowadays what is missing? Earlier there was a subject in the schools that was moral science. Do you remember? Moral science की
yes.
book that was compulsory. In our days like it was compulsory. उसमें छोटी छोटी स्टोरीज होती थी, वो ग्रेटिट्यूड की स्टोरी होती थी, मतलब ब्यूटीफुल छोटी छोटी सी स्टोरीज होती थी. But now there is no subject called moral science. Now people are learning like different things, technology, this and I don't know. अभी तो आजकल तो प्रेयर्स भी नहीं होती हैं स्कूल में. प्रेयर्स एवरीथिंग दे नीड फास्ट फास्ट फास्ट, कि जितनी देर प्रेयर करेंगे उतने हम कुछ और लर्न कर लेंगे. बट इट इज नो, वी हैव टू मेक इट अ वे ऑफ लाइफ, लाइक वी हैव टू बी ग्रेटफुल. कितनी अच्छी अच्छी प्रेयर होती थी, इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता. डू यू रिमेम्बर? मन
Yes.
का विश्वास
मैम, आई
कमजोर
सेव
होना.
वन ऑफ रील। एक एक बहुत ही छोटी सी बच्ची है इंस्टाग्राम पे। सो वो ना मतलब मतलब इतनी मैच्योर नहीं है, काफी कम एज है उसकी, बट वो ना क्या कर रही है कि मतलब उसका वीडियो ऐसे बनाया गया है कि वो सारे वर्डिंग्स पे अपनी आंख बंद करके एक्शन कर रही है। इतनी
हम्म.
शक्ति हमें देना दाता,
हम्म.
मन
हम्म.
का विश्वास, और वो ऐसे रास्ते वाला वगैरह वो कड़वा जो
हम्म.
आता है ना वो पैराग्राफ उस
हाँ.
गाने में, वो ऐसे ऐसे एक्शन कर रही है। मतलब इतनी स्वीटनेस और इतनी क्यूटनेस है उसके एक्शंस में,
हम्म.
बहुत ही ज्यादा। मतलब बच्चों को भी वो वर्डिंग समझ में आ जाती है काफी कम एज में भी।
हम्म.
सो
और
बहुत
एक और
मतलब,
प्रेयर थी, तुम ही हो माता पिता तुम्हें. लाइक देर आर मेनी
हाँ।
थिंग्स नाउ वी आर मिसिंग.
यस।
यस. Okay, so what is next? If you think about a time when you were really hungry, so we have to recall the time when we were really hungry. You will remember that you could not think or function normally. Your body felt weak. You might have started to tremble. Your mind became confused and your feelings plummeted. All of this can happen after not eating for just a few hours. You need food to live, to think, to feel good, and so there is a great deal to be grateful for about food. When
Yes.
we are really hungry and we don't eat for few hours, so we feel like, we feel like trembling, we feel confused, we don't feel like doing anything, we feel like we our body is very weak if we don't eat for few hours. I remember once in a year I keep that fast of करवा चौथ. Otherwise तो I don't keep any fast. पूरे साल में मेरा कोई फास्ट नहीं होता, बस वो एक करवा चौथ का. That time, like in the evening when we have to wait for the moon to come and then we will be eating something. So that is also like very difficult for one day, once in a year, for few hours. It's very difficult. So we feel like we are weak. So can we imagine if we don't get the food and if we don't get the water on time? But every time, see, three times we are getting the meal, three times we are eating in a day. We are eating fruits, we are eating in the middle also, like we are eating fruits, we are eating salads. So many things like beverage also, soups also, so many things we are consuming. But we are not being grateful. Not every time. But today onwards, whenever we'll be eating something, whenever we'll be drinking something, so we have to be grateful, right? So to feel even more gratitude. So Rhonda 1 is giving more and more ideas how we can be grateful, how we can be grateful, how we can be grateful. Daily she is suggesting something to be grateful for. Because the more we are grateful, we will be getting more reasons to be grateful for. Because like attracts like. ठीक है, अभी हम जैसे जिन चीजों के लिए वी आर बीइंग ग्रेटफुल, सो गॉड विल गिव अस मोर रीजंस ना, बिकॉज वी विल बी अट्रैक्टिंग दोज रीजंस. So let's say I'm grateful for my car, so I'll be getting second car, I'll be getting third car. So why? Because when I got my first car, so I was very grateful. So like attracts like, God will give me more reasons to be grateful for. So who is attracting? I am attracting by being grateful. So जब हम grateful होंगे तभी तो और reasons मिलेंगे grateful होने के लिए. So who is attracting? I am attracting, you are attracting. And people say ये तो luck से हो गया. No, it's not luck, because you are being grateful. That's why you are attracting those things into your life. So to feel even more gratitude for food, take a moment and think about all the people who contributed to you having food to eat. For you to eat fresh fruits and vegetables, the growers had to plant and nurture the fruit and vegetables with continuous watering, protecting them over many months until they were ready for harvesting. Then there are pickers, the packers, the distributors, and the transportation people who drive enormous distances day and night, all of them working together in perfect harmony to ensure that every fruit and vegetable is delivered fresh to you and is available year around or at your doorstep. Can you imagine how many people are involved in growing the plants? Pickers, packers, and delivery boys, so that it can be delivered at your doorstep, each and everything. अभी आटा खत्म हो जाए, अभी ब्लिंकिट पे ऑर्डर करो, विद इन 5 to 8 minutes you will be getting that आटा at your place, right? whatever is over, whatever is getting over, एक छोटा सा कुछ भी खत्म. आई रिमेम्बर देयर वाज अ डे, मुझे वो ना कोकोनट की चटनी बनानी थी, तो फॉर दैट वो एक कोकोनट का वो 30 रुपीज का, वो मुझे विद इन फ्यू मिनट्स दैट कोकोनट वॉज एट माई डोर स्टेप. सो सी हाउ मेनी पीपल आर इनवॉल्व. किसी ने तो वो कोकोनट ग्रो किया होगा, किसी ने उसको प्लांट को नर्चर किया होगा, किसी ने उसको प्लक किया होगा, किसी ने उसको पिक किया होगा, किसी ने उसको पैक किया होगा, किसी ने उसको वो डे डे इन डे आउट वो डू यू नो वो पूरा जो ट्रक भर के पूरी रातों रात वो चलते हैं, कितने कितने मील्स वो, मतलब डे इन डे आउट, लाइक दे पीपल आर लाइक ड्राइविंग, दे पीपल आर ड्राइविंग द
Yes.
ट्रक्स, बिग ट्रक्स. वो दिन रात चलते हैं, दिन रात चलते हैं, एक जगह से दूसरे जगह पे सामान पहुंचाने के लिए. राइट, सो मेनी पीपल आर इन्वॉल्व इफ वी विल बी गोइंग इन टू द डेप्थ. और ये तो एक चीज है कोकोनट, कितनी चीजें हैं. पटेटो, अनियन, आज आपने सारे दिन में मॉर्निंग से लेके इवनिंग तक क्या बनाया. सो इफ यू हैव टू मेक अ लिस्ट, सो मेनी वेजिटेबल्स विल बी देयर. ओके, सो अभी आज इवनिंग में मैंने मैगी बनाई, तो उसमें मैंने क्या क्या डाला, अनियन डाला. किसी ने तो अनियन उगाया होगा, पिक किया होगा, पैक किया होगा, वो घर तक पहुंचाया होगा, वेंडर, वेजिटेबल सेलर, सो मेनी पीपल आर इन्वॉल्व. और उसमें टमेटो भी डाला, उसमें कैप्सिकम भी डाली, उसमें कैरेट भी डाला, सो दैट वाज द वेजिटेबल मैगी. सो लाइक सो मेनी थिंग्स आर देयर. इतनी सारी चीजों की, इतने सारे इंग्रेडिएंट्स दैट वी पुट टू मेक एनी वेजिटेबल. अभी तो जस्ट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट वेजिटेबल्स, वी ईट फ्रूट्स एज वेल, एंड देर आर मेनी मसाला स्पाइसेस. उसमें नमक डाला, उसमें चिली डाली, उसमें मैगी मसाला डाला, उसमें धनिया पाउडर डाला, उसमें जीरा पाउडर, सो मेनी थिंग्स. मॉर्निंग में राजमा राइस बनाया तो उसमें भी कितने सारे मसाले स्पाइसेस डले. सो किसी ने उगाया होगा, बनाया होगा, पैक किया होगा, आपके घर तक पहुंचाया होगा. सो मेनी पीपल आर इन्वॉल्व. किस किसका थैंक यू करोगे, कितने जन्म लेने पड़ेंगे तब भी सबका थैंक यू नहीं कर पाएंगे. वो कंप्लीट ही नहीं हो पाएगा. राइट, सो वी हैव टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम टुडे. Think about the meat growers, those who are non-vegetarian. So think about the meat growers, fishermen, dairy farmers, coffee and tree growers, and all the packaged food companies who work tirelessly to produce the food we eat. The world's food production is a breathtaking orchestra that takes place every day, and it's unfathomable अनफेथोमेबल, अनफेथोमेबल मीन्स समझ से परे, समझ से बाहर, इतना मतलब इतना वास्ट है. That it all works when you think about the number of people involved in maintaining the world's food and drink supplies to stores, restaurants, supermarkets, cafes, airplanes, schools, hospitals, and every home on the planet. See, airplane, whenever we go somewhere by plane, plane may be food is available. Sandwiches are available. Every kind of food is available in the plane as well. कितने किलोमीटर हम दूर हैं from the earth? We are many, many kilometers away. We are in the sky. In sky also, like we are getting the food. It's so, so, so magical. Not on the planet Earth, not in the home only we are getting the food. We are getting the food in airplanes. In school, in boarding schools also, food is available. Children are getting the food. In supermarkets, so many things are available. In restaurants, every food, every item is available. In hospitals also, hospitals में भी जो patients होते हैं, the people get the food there. So today onwards we'll be like, that is a complete orchestra. That is breathtaking orchestra. Why it is breathtaking orchestra? Because so many people are involved. That is the chain. That is the loop. कि कैसे काम करती है वो, ग्रो करने से लेके घर के डिलीवर होने तक. दैट इज अ कंप्लीट चेन. फिर ग्रो किया, फिर पैक किया, फिर डिलीवर किया, फिर ग्रो किया, पैक किया, नर्चर किया, उसको डिलीवर किया, सुपर स्टोर तक पहुंचाया. दैट इज अ कंप्लीट सिस्टम. द वे आवर बॉडी इज कंप्लीट सिस्टम. जैसे अपनी बॉडी का पूरा सिस्टम है, बॉडी का भी कितना जबरदस्त ब्रेथ टेकिंग सिस्टम है, वो भी पूरा ऑर्केस्ट्रा. ऑर्केस्ट्रा, व्हाई दिस वर्ड इज रिटन ऑर्केस्ट्रा? हैव यू सीन ऑर्केस्ट्रा? वो जागरण में जाते थे तो बचपन में होता था, वो उसमें ढोल भी चाहिए, ढोलक भी चाहिए, वो चेने भी चाहिए. एक भी थोड़ा सा ताल इधर उधर हो जाए तो वी डोंट एंजॉय. एक भी बीट म्यूजिक इधर हो जाए वी डोंट एंजॉय. सो सिमिलरली विद द फूड, दैट इज ऑल्सो द लाइक फूड इंडस्ट्री. सो दिस इज सप्लाईज की पूरी इंडस्ट्री है. सो दे वर्क टुगेदर. So many people are involved. So food is a gift. It's a gift of nature, because there would be nothing for any of us to eat if nature didn't supply us with the soil, with the nutrients and the water to grow food. So we are so blessed that Mother Nature is contributing. She is providing the soil, she is providing the nutrients, the water to grow the food. Without water, there would be no food, vegetation, animals, and human life. We use water to cook our meals, grow our food, maintain our gardens, supply our bathrooms, sustain every vehicle that moves, support our hospitals, fuel, mining, and manufacturing industries, enable transportation, make our roads, make clothes, and make consumer product and appliances on the planet. Make plastic, glass, and metal, make life saving medications, and build our homes and every other building and structure. And water keeps our bodies alive. Water, 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 glorious water. In each and every small and big thing, we need water. अब ये हाउस की कंस्ट्रक्शन में पूरे 2 से 2.5 साल लगे, ये 5 मंजिल पूरा ये हाउस बनने में. कितना वाटर लगा होगा डेली? 2.5 year. डेली वाटर चाहिए, डेली वाटर चाहिए. फॉर स्मॉल स्मॉल थिंग्स, फॉर बिग, हॉस्पिटल्स में वाटर चाहिए, व्हीकल्स को मूव करने के लिए, बाथरूम में कितना वाटर हम लाइक वी पीपल आर यूजिंग इन आवर वॉशरूम, इन आवर बाथरूम. A lot of water we are using in the kitchen as well. Washing the dishes, washing the clothes, washing the this vegetables, fruits. कितनी कितनी बार धोते हैं, कितनी बार हाथ धोते हैं. Imagine if water is not there, then what will happen? Without water, पीना तो छोड़ो, कितनी चीजों के लिए पीना तो है ही है, दैट इज मैंडेटरी, और भी कितनी चीजों के लिए. इफ वाटर इज नॉट देयर, धुले हुए कपड़े पहने, धुले हुए बर्तनों में खाना खा रहे हैं. After every few minutes, we need water. We need water for something. I'm not only saying that drinking, for something that we need. And all the things are written over there. All the things are. So many things in this paragraph. We need water. If there is magic on this planet, it is contained in water. Lauren Astley. If there is magic on this planet, it is contained in water. So water is magical. If there is no water, we cannot imagine our life. How would be our life if water was not there? Where would we be without food and water? We simply wouldn't be here. None of our family or friends would be here either. We wouldn't have this day or any tomorrow. But here, we are on this beautiful planet together, living life with its challenges and ecstatic joys because of nature's gift of food and water to say the simple magic words, thank you, before you eat or drink. Anything is an act of recognition and gratitude for the miracle of food and water. So we have to recognize, we have to aware of how we blessed are, how blessed we are. So we have to acknowledge, like the way I have given the example. Fan is giving us cooling, but what we are giving to fan? We have to be grateful for the fan. Thank you, fan, for your cooling. If you were not there, what would be my life? कितनी अच्छी cooling दे रहा है. And how long it will be giving us the cooling? The day we were born till the last breath. But we never thought. मुझे नहीं लगता, I don't think so कि हम कभी भी जितनी भी हमारी लाइफ होने वाली है, whether it is 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, we would ever think of saying thank you to the fan. Because it is not there. We are not aware of like how it could be. How can somebody be like grateful for the fan? So the incredible thing is that when you are grateful for food and water, it doesn't just affect your life, your gratitude also impacts the world supply. So this is magical. See, the incredible thing is that when you are grateful for food and water, it does not just affect your life, your gratitude also impacts the world supply. If you start being grateful for the food and water, it will impact the world supply. जो world की supply है ना food की और water की, that will also increase. That will also increase. Nobody will die of hunger if we start doing that, because there are many people who are dying out of hunger. Why? They are not getting food. If we start being grateful, okay, so automatically the supply will increase. It will impact the supply. If enough people felt gratitude for food and water, it would actually help the people who are starving and in great need. By the law of the attraction and Newton's law of action and reaction, the action of mass gratitude must produce an equal mass reaction, which would change the circumstances of scarcity of food and water for everyone on the planet. If we collectively, with the collective energy, with the mass energy, with the mass gratitude energy, so it will impact the supply, it will automatically increase, and there will be no scarcity of food and water. No people will be dying out of food and water. So if we collectively do that, so that's where that is my mission, that I want to reach, this knowledge. Like everybody should have this knowledge. Everybody. So that's why I want everybody to, spread this knowledge to each and everyone. It should reach to each and everyone. So that we can also, contribute for our Mother Earth. Chota sa ek contribution that everybody should get this knowledge of being grateful. In addition, your gratitude for food and water keeps the magic continuing in your life. And it will weave its glorious golden thread through everything that is dear to you, everything that you love, and everything that you are dreaming of. So if you want to have your dream life, if you want to achieve something in your life, if you have some goals and desires, okay, so you have to be grateful for food and water as well. So magic will start continuing it will continue in your life. In ancient times, people believed that when they blessed their food and water with gratitude, it purified whatever they were blessing. And when you look at the theories and discoveries that quantum physics have made in recent times, such as the observer effect, the ancients may very well have been right. The observer effect in quantum physics refer to changes that the act of observation makes on whatever is being observed. Imagine if focusing gratitude on your food and drinks changed their energy structure and purified them so that everything you consumed had the ultimate effect of well-being on your body. So very important, very important. If we are grateful for the food and water, if we are grateful for the food and water, the way like we are consuming food and water, and if we are grateful before we eat food and water, so what will happen? So what will happen? So here I would like to tell you one story, and that is the true story. So how we can, there was a study. So there was some water sample was some samples were taken by like water sample were taken by somebody, and the water was contained in few containers. Okay, and एक वाटर पे लिखा गया like negative water, एक पे लिखा गया positive water, और जो negative water था that was kept in different room and positive water was kept in different room, और एक water पे लिखा गया वो anger, ये anger वाला water है, और एक पे उस पे लिखा गया water पे gratitude वाला. And after 1 month, each and every crystal of the water was very different. जिसमें वो hatred का water था, जिसमें जिस कंटेनर पे लिखा था hatred, उसके क्रिस्टल वर लाइक ब्लैक इन कलर, और जिस पे लिखा हुआ था पॉजिटिव वाटर, उसको वैसी एनर्जी से एनर्जी की दी गई, उसको ग्रेटिट्यूड की. एंड द क्रिस्टल वाज लाइक जैसे वो प्लेटिनम और वो कोहिनूर कोहिनूर का व्हाइट कलर का जैसे होता है ना, इट वाज लाइक
डायमंड।
दैट. क्रिस्टल बिल्कुल क्लियर, नीट एंड क्लीन, प्योर, वैसा उसका क्रिस्टल था. और जिसको हेट्रेड और एंगर की एनर्जी दी एनर्जी दी गई, तो उसका क्रिस्टल बिल्कुल ब्लैक कलर का. सो एनर्जी हैज दैट मच पावर. Your energy has that power. There is story, and that is the real story. There was a person, and he went to some, Babaji or Mahatma kind of person. So he went there and he said, Mahatma ji, why it is happening that whenever, it's been some time, whenever I'm doing anything the whole day, like I'm getting the feeling of like I'm looking for a house. I'm living in my own house. I'm living in my own house, but why I'm getting that feeling of looking for a house? I'm not looking for a house. मेरा खुद का घर है, मैं क्यों घर ढूंढूंगा? तो why I'm getting that feeling of looking for a house? मुझे तो कोई किराए पे नहीं जाना, मेरा खुद का घर है. Then why I'm having that kind of feeling? अब जब सोता हूँ, whenever I'm sleeping, so I'm getting that dream also, that kind of dream that I'm looking for a house. Why it is happening? It's been long time, 15, 20 days. So Mahatma ji said, so who cooks the food at your home? So he said, I have cook. Okay, so he said, you talk to your that cook, that lady. So he told this whole thing to the cook. So
That
she said,
lady.
yes, I am looking for a house, because that lady was cooking at his place. So that's why, like, whenever she is cooking, so she's putting that energy into that food, na, कि oh my God, what will happen? So when will I be getting the home? So कैसे चलेगा, क्या होगा? तो she was in that tension. So वो उसी tension से, like, she was making the food. So, and whenever we are eating outside as well, so we never know, like, what is that energy, with which energy the people are making the food. So that's why if you have cook at your place, so it's better let them prepare. If you can't prepare, let them prepare. But what you can do, at least you can, एक उसमें कड़छी से
घुमा
ऐसे उसको
सकते।
घुमा देना. You just sprinkle that magic ingredient. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much for this beautiful food. So you can do this. And whenever you are eating the food, so that also Rhonda Byrne will be telling, like, how we have to eat the food, what we have to do, right? So this is magical. So these are like small practices. Like, if we don't have any other option, cook has to cook the food. So you never know what is the energy of the cook. And if we are eating outside as well, so at least we have to take the responsibility that, yes, we have to charge this food. So you have to charge this food. One of the ways to experience the magic of gratitude instantly with food and drinks is to really savor what you are eating or drinking. When you savor your food or drinks, you are appreciating them or being grateful. As an experiment, next time you are in the middle of eating food or drinking any liquid, when you take a mouthful, concentrate on the taste of the food in your mouth or the flavor of the liquid before you swallow it. ओके उसको निगलने से पहले, वाटर को या फूड को निगलने से पहले, यू हैव टू बी ग्रेटफुल. थैंक यू फॉर द फूड आई एम ईटिंग. Thank you for the water I am drinking. You will find that what you focus on the food or drink in the mouth and savor it, the flavors seem to explode. And when you don't focus, the flavors weaken dramatically. If you don't focus, if you don't savor your food, so the flavor will weaken dramatically. उसका जो स्वाद है वो थोड़ा कम हो जाएगा. But if you are being grateful, when the food is there into your mouth, when the water is there into your mouth, and you are being grateful, wow. So the taste will enhance. It's your energy to focus and gratitude that instantly enhances the flavor. Instantly. Okay, so now we will be doing it together. Now we will be doing it together. So how we have to do? Do you have your water or something to eat or something to drink beside you? So I have my water beside me, like this is the water bottle and glass. So what you have to do? So you have to take your water into the glass, or if you have water, it's okay, fine. So what you have to do is pour some water into the glass, or you can use your bottle as well if it is your bottle. Yeah. So you have to take this water. First, what you have to do? So you have to drink it without thanking. First, you have to drink it. One sip you have to do without thanking. So you just drink it. Okay, so we drank it. So इशिता का मुंह देखो, क्या पिया, जैसे कड़वी दवाई पी ली. So now what we have to do? So we have to take a sip of water. We have to keep it into the mouth. Okay.
Without
So then
thinking.
when it is there into our mouth, so we have to be grateful. So it's like we are charging the water. So you will see the taste of the water will enhance. Okay. So first we have to take a sip. Okay. Kulvinder, done. Okay. So now what we have to do? We have to take the sip of water. We have to keep it into our mouth for 1 minute, and we have to feel it, and we have to be grateful for this water. Okay. Keep it into your mouth, one sip, and इसको थोड़ा मुंह में इधर उधर घुमाना और उसको थैंक यू करना. Now drink it. Swallow the water now. Did you see some change? Did you see some change? Was it better? Was it better? थोड़ा सा मिठास उसमें कुछ increase हुआ? Did it enhance the taste of the water? So this is magical. Instantly you can increase the taste. अगर food अच्छा नहीं लग रहा, that means there is like gratitude is missing into your life. Gratitude is missing. So whenever next time you are eating the food or whenever you are drinking the water, so you have to charge the water. So in this way you can make the food tastier. First bite, whenever you are keeping it into your mouth, so you have to be grateful. And if you can recall, if you want to spend some more time, 1 minute, like you can recall the farmer. Yeah, thank you farmer for growing it. Thank you for nurturing it. Thank you for providing it sunlight and water. Thank you for the pickers and packers. Thank you for the delivery boys. Thank you so much. And you will see there will be, it's really magical. It will improve the taste of your food. It will enhance the food, the taste. Okay, this water therapy, I don't know whether you have heard it or not. Water therapy, for charging the water, how you have to charge. People are charging, thousands and thousands of rupees, 50,000, 1 lakh rupees for, teaching these techniques, like how you have to charge the water. This is the way only. The more you feel gratitude, the more you feel, they people are teaching this much only. They will be giving you some sentences like how you have to charge the water, how you have to make it powerful. So you can do it by your own.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
they will be teaching you this only. So you have to do it by your own. Okay, and start doing it. Yes. So before you eat or drink anything today, whether you are about to eat a meal or a piece of fruit or a snack or have a drink of anything, including water, take a moment to look at what you are about to eat or drink. And in your mind or out loud, say the magic words, thank you. And if you can, just take one mouthful, really savoring it. Savoring it means you have to taste it. उसको मजे से लेकर खाना है. It will not only increase your enjoyment, it will help you to feel far more gratitude. You can also try something I do, which helps me to feel even more. So now Rhonda 1 is giving you her tips. So what she used to do. You can also try something I do. When I say the magic words, I wave my fingers over my food. Okay, so I wave my fingers over my food like this. So this is like waving my fingers over the food and drink as though I'm sprinkling them with magic dust. So this is magic dust. So I'm sprinkling. So let's say the food is there in front of me in the plate. Okay, so now I'll be sprinkling magic dust. Magic dust, that means I'm being grateful. Thank you so much for this food. Thank you so much for this food. And for the water as well. So you can charge, you can also charge it. So take your glass into your hand and you have to be grateful. Thank you so much for this powerful, peaceful, magical water. I am being healthy. I am being happy. I am becoming healthy. I am becoming abundant. So it will just take 1 minute or 30 seconds. If you don't have much time, just 30 seconds. Every time, whenever you are consuming anything eatables or drinkables, so you can do it for 30 seconds. I imagine that the magic dust instantly purifies everything it touches. Doing this has helped me really feel that gratitude is the magic ingredient, and I want to add it to everything I eat and drink. If you find it more effective, you can imagine that you have a shaker of magic dust in your hand and you are shaking the magic dust out of the shaker all over your food before you eat and into every drink. The way we all have some kind of shaker, जैसे वो salt के shaker होते हैं, black pepper के shakers होते हैं, as if you are sprinkling the magic dust. ऐसे ऐसे अपने food के ऊपर you can wave your fingers
पिज्जा पे
like this.
करते हो। हम्म।
Yeah, so you can wave your fingers like this, or you can do it with the help of shaker, like invisible shaker. So you are
Yes.
sprinkling the magic dust, right? So every time whenever you are eating something or drinking something, so you have to do it. You have to shake the magic dust. If at any time, if you have any kind of, headache or backache or stomach ache, so if you do this practice, so this is something really magical. It will heal you from inside. अगर किसी भी टाइप का छोटा मोटा कोई पेन है, something like you are suffering from, so it will heal you as well. So people are consuming this water. This is called healing water. So you can also heal yourself by your own, by just waving your fingers and putting that magical dust onto your food. If any time during the day you forget to say the magic words thank you before you eat or drink anything, as soon as you remember, जब याद आ जाए तब कर लो. Past के लिए, close your eyes, go back into your mind to the time when you forgot. Visualize yourself into your mind for a second or two before you ate or drink. You say the magic words. If you forget to be grateful for food and drinks multiple times in a day, then repeat this same practice tomorrow. You can't afford to miss a single day in building your gratitude. Your dreams depend on it. So if you have some kind of dreams, if you really want to achieve something in your life, so you can't afford to miss even a single day. You can't afford to miss even a single day. So you don't have to miss even a single. We can't afford. Afford means like there is no choice. कोई choice ही नहीं है. मिस करना ही नहीं है, बिल्कुल भूलना ही नहीं है कभी भी. So being grateful for the simple things in life like food and water is one of the deepest expressions of gratitude. And when you can feel that degree of gratitude, you will see magic happen. So it depends on the degree. It depends on your intensity. How intense do you feel? So magic practice number 8, the magic ingredient. Count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you are grateful. Reread your list, and at the end of each blessing, say thank you, and thank you. And feel as grateful for that blessing as you can. Second, before you eat or drink anything today, take a moment to look at what you are about to eat or drink, and in your mind and out loud say the magic words, thank you. If you want, you can sprinkle your food or drink with magic dust, right? Just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words, thank you, for the best thing that happened during the day. Okay, so today we'll be doing the gratitude practice for eatables and for drinkables. And make sure, guys, you don't waste the food, even not a single bite. Never ever waste your food. Because now we people understood in today's chapter that from where it is coming
Very.
and how difficult it is to grow, to nurture, to take care of that, and how it is reaching our place. So at least we can try. Don't waste anything, not a single bite. Whatever is you are taking into your plate, so either you finish it or you take in small quantity so that you don't have to waste it. Okay,
Yes.
and instruct to your family members as well, because many of us, like we have small
Ma'am,
kids,
I want
so
to
they
say
have that
something.
habit, right?
Uh,
Yeah. Yes, Ishita.
actually I don't like to waste food. ठीक है,
हम्म
कभी कोई मुझे ज्यादा भी कुछ दे देता है तो मैं अगर अच्छा भी नहीं लग रहा है कि मैं खा भी नहीं पाती तो मैं खा लेती हूँ। तो सब सोचते हैं कि मैं भुक्कड़ हूँ, इसीलिए मोटी
हम्म
होती जा रही हूँ क्योंकि मैं सब प्लेट साफ करती हूँ। यही
हम्म
थॉट्स रहता है अगले वाले पीपल्स को कि ये सब खा लेती है, मतलब इस भुक्कड़ है, इसको खाना बहुत पसंद है। बट
No,
आई
so you
डोंट
can
लाइक टू
instruct
वेस्ट
them, na
फूड।
Ishita. You can instruct them that they have to take it in small quantity.
नो,
Why are they taking
यही
it
तो
more quantity?
अगर किसी के प्लेट में खाना रहे, यही तो प्रॉब्लम है लोगों का कि अगर
हम्म
किसी के प्लेट में खाना है दैट्स मीन वो भुक्कड़ नहीं है, वो
हम्म
क्या बोलते हैं उसको, डाइट मेंटेन करती है और करता है।
हम्म
अगर कोई प्लेट साफ रखता है, रखती है, तो इसका मतलब है वो भुक्कड़ है।
हम्म No, so what we can do, so these are the small tips like we can follow, like we can take in small quantity and we can instruct people as well to husband यार प्लीज छोड़ना मत, क्या ना जितना आपको खाना है उतना ही आप प्लेट में डालना. So these things like we can do.
इन इन माय ससुराल मुझे ये हर बार सुनने को मिलते हैं, तू तो खा लेती है, खा ले, तू तो खाना अच्छा लगता है, खा ले, बट आई डोंट लाइक वेस्ट फूड।
हम्म
इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि मैं ज्यादा खाना पसंद करती हूँ, आई डोंट, मुझे प्लेट साफ रखना बहुत पसंद है कि
हम्म बट आप
बस
अपना खाना
इसीलिए।
फिनिश करो बट नॉट ऑफ द अदर्स. नॉट ऑफ द अदर्स. आप उनको बोलो
नो,
कि आप भी अपना
दैट्स मी,
फिनिश
नो
करो
नो
द
नो
वे
नो
आई एम
नो,
फिनिशिंग माई
हाँ
फूड.
वो
लाइक
ठीक
यू
है।
ऑल्सो हैव टू फिनिश
यस
योर फूड.
यस यस।
Okay, so I'm taking my responsibility. You also take your
हाँ
responsibility to
हाँ,
complete your, food,
दे
right?
गिव मोर फूड कि तू तो खा लेती है, तू तो अच्छा खाना अच्छा लगता है, तू खा ले, ऐसा वाला।
No, अभी बोलो
दे
उनको मैं डाइटिंग कर रही हूँ, ठीक है ना? आई एम ऑन डाइट. आई एम ऑन डाइट. ओके, एंड देर आर फ्यू टिप्स एज वेल टू रिड्यूस द वेट. आप उसको च्यू करके खाओ अच्छे से. सो दैट ऑल्सो आई लर्न. इफ यू च्यू योर फूड like in a proper way, so you can reduce the weight. You can reduce the weight. Okay, so that is the best technique to reduce the weight. And people are, doing gym and so many things. Last week only I learned this thing. This is a beautiful tip. Like the more you chew, the more you can reduce the weight. So that is a beautiful tip I am giving you. I also learned last week as well. Okay, so we are done for the day. So now I'll be